Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you? Hope you all are doing good. So, kids, I welcome you all to a new and beautiful day. So, let's start our class. So, you all know how we are going to start our class, Anna? So, let's start. So, we are going to start our class with welcome song. Come on, everyone. Stop you doing any work. आपको कुछ भी वर्क नहीं करना. You pay attention. We'll all sing the the welcome song and the prayer, everything, the assembly together. Let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome once again. So now we'll sing God's love together. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right, kids. Now let's talk about the date and the day. So today, the day is Monday. What is the day today? Today is Monday, and the date is 2 August 2021. अच्छा, अगर आपको याद हो, if you remember, तो ma'am had told in the previous one of the previous class that July month is about to finish. जुलाई जो month है वो finished होने वाला. मैम ने कहा था ना आपको. So जुलाई finish हो गया and a new month has started now. एक नया month start हुआ है. That is August. Which month has started? August. Okay. So today is 2 August 2021. Okay. Now you tell me how many days are there in a week? How many days? There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Yes. So let's say the name of the days of the week together. Start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Yes. Okay. So now kids and mothers, you also pay attention. So as you got the message regarding Star Kids of the month July, है ना? Yes. So before showing you the names of the kids, let me make it very clear to you. There are certain criteria on the basis of which we had given given the child the Star Kid of the Year. Okay, the title is Star Kid of the Year. There are certain criteria like uniform, regularity, punctuality, how they are sitting in the class, they are attentive or not, they are giving answers or not. they are curious to give answer or not? Everything. So I had noticed everything for the whole month of the July, and after it I had given the names. Okay, so I am making it very clear to you. There are criterias on which we had given the star of the kids of the month July. All right. So I'm sharing you the list, the names. Okay, just wait. All right, let it open. Okay. So, star students of class LKG of month July. So, are you excited, everyone? Are you excited to see whose name is there? Yes. Okay. And one more thing, Gates, अगर आपका नाम वहां नहीं है तो don't feel sad. ठीक है? आपको और मेहनत करनी है, आपको पंचुअल होना, अटेंटिव होना है. ऑल राइट, ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ मिले. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so these are the students. So congratulations, students. Very well done. Clap, everyone clap for them. Very, very good. There are some more kids who are in this category. पर किसी वजह से like Drishya, you are also in this category. But आप यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनते हो. That's why I didn't given you. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट टाइम से आपको यूनिफॉर्म पहनना है. इशिता, यू आर ऑल्सो देयर, बट इशिता आप है ना बहुत सी बार हेजिटेट करते हो आंसर देने में. यू बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन गिविंग द आंसर. ठीक है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ यू ऑल आर गुड. बट अब आपको ध्यान रखना है all the criterias. You have to attentive in the class, you have to sit properly with your uniform. ठीक है, you have to be punctual in class. All right. Okay, kids. And writing as well. Writing also come in this criteria. So congratulations once again, kids. All right. Now, kids, let's start the class again. So before doing our work, let's do the exercises. Come on, everyone, stand up for exercises. And one more, Anaisha, you are also there. But आप भी कभी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनते हो. That's why. ठीक है? Now remember these things. I am noticing each and every one of you. All right? आप ऐसे मत सोचना मैम को पता नहीं है. I am noticing each and every one of you कि you are doing the assembly with ma'am or not, you are singing the rhyme with ma'am or not, how you are writing, you are punctual or not, how you are sitting, each and everything. ठीक है? All right, kids. Now, whose turn is today for doing the exercises? Namasvi. Namasvi, it's your turn today. Come on, Namasvi, it's your turn today. Yes, आपको exercise करानी है. Drishya, come on, stand up. David. Okay. Exercise. Chalo. So first, what we have to do? Namasvi, stretch your arms and clap. Chalo, come on, everyone. Clap, 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 clap. Come on. Very good. Very nice. Come on. Clap. Okay. Now, what we have to do now? Namasvi. You have to wiggle your fingers. Come on. Wiggle. Wiggle. Wiggle your fingers. Slowly, slowly. And fast. 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 Come on, kids. You all have to do. Now, Namasri. Now what we have to do? What we have to do now? Keep both the hands on your waist. And अब क्या करेंगे? Yes, अब बोलो भी. Yes, so you all have to jump. Jump, jump, jump. Pariza, jump, jump. Lokend, jump, jump. Okay, Lokend, stand up. मैंने कहा ना, I told you ना, everyone. I'm looking at each and every one of you. I'm noticing everyone. What you are doing and what you are not doing. Yes. Now what we have to do? Yes. Everyone raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Raise your hand higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Now, which one is left now? Namaste. Yes. So everyone keep your thumb on your shoulder and move your hand forward, 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 forward. And now backward, backward, backward. Very good. All right, Namasvi. Very good. Thank you. Everyone sit down. Okay, one of the parents is asking to show me the list again of the star child, star kids of the month. All right, ma'am. I am sharing the screen again. Look. Okay. Now, kids, now let's start the class. अब everyone, आपको अब बनना है कि नहीं star child? You want or you don't want for the next month? So be attentive in the class, sit properly in the class. What ma'am had told you? Okay, every time your back should be straight. Do not lean on the table. As I can see many a times, I had seen many times. You all are leaning on the table, leaning on the copy, bed par aap so jate ho. You are wandering here and there without my permission. That is not a good thing. Okay? You are grown up now. Be attentive in the class. Be punctual in the class and sit properly. Yes. So kids, now get your English copy. We are going to write down the 3-letter words. Get your English copy. We are going to write down the 3-letter words. Chalo. So what we are doing, acha, before revising the 3-letter words, let's revise the consonant and the vowels together. Chalo. So kids, how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? Anyone knows? Yes, Ridhan, how many vowels, beta? Yes, there are 5 vowels. The fingers we had in our one hand. एक हाथ में जितनी fingers है, that much vowels are there. So come on, say with ma'am. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest are known as consonant. इन 5 vowels को छोड़कर जो बाकी के letters बच जाते हैं, the rest letters are known as consonant. What they are known as? Consonant. Okay. Chalo. Now, today we are going to do the 3-letter words again. So come on, get your literacy skill book. Open your literacy skill book. Page number 9797. In your literacy skill book, open page number 9797. Page number 9797. Okay? So here you have to read the 3-letter words, then trace it and then write it. Okay? आपको यहाँ पर 3-letter words पढ़ने हैं, उन्हें trace करना है, then उन्हें लिखना है. You have to write it. Yes, kids. Chalo. Now let's read the words together. Come on. So the first one is B-A-T. B-A-T. So B says B-A-T. Bat. Read it and then write it. आपको लिखने के लिए लिखने की जल्दी नहीं करना है. Do not rush for writing. Reading part is very much important. B-A-T. Bat. Page number 97. Okay, so I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. लोकेंद्र आप कहाँ रहते हो बेटा? You should pay attention, no? Your literacy skill book, page number 97. Kindly refer, kindly see in the chat box. Bat. आपको मैम ने पहले भी बताया था. A sound when A comes in one letter, so it sounds as A. Okay, A. आपका मुंह खुलना चाहिए. Bat. Then the next one, B-A-G. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-G. Bag. Acha, why I am using the phonic sound for reading it? Why? There's one reason. Because अगर आप phonic sound से read करोगे, when you are using the phonic sound for reading the words, then other words are also become easy for you to read with this process. Okay? अगर आप words को phonic sound से read करोगे, तो आप इनके अलावा भी words को read कर सकते हो. Okay? If you use phonic sound for reading the words, then all the other words are also become easy for you to read. Next one, C-A-N. So C says K-A-N, can. K-A-N, can. Trace it and write it. Can. Can. Bat. Bat. Bag. And can. Okay, kids, again and again I'm repeating the same thing. Before writing, you have to read the word. Reading is more important than writing. Read karo or then likho. If you write down the word without reading, then you are not going to learn it, how to read it and everything. Okay, so it's for your betterment. I'm telling again and again, kindly say and write. Read the word and write. And mothers, it's your responsibility. You kindly make sure that the child is reading or not. Next one. C-A-T. C-A-T. So C says to cat. To cat. To cat. Trace it and write it. To cat. Say the phonic sound and read. Then F-A-N. So fan. 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 ठीक है? cat for an fan. The next one is M-A-T. Mat. To mat. To mat. Mat. Cat for an fan. To mat. Padmanabh, switch on the camera, beta. Padmanabh. Read the word, then trace it and write it. Bat, bag, can, cat, fan, mat. Next, M-A-N. So, M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. A sound के words में we have to open our mouth wide. Man. Like this. Unnati completed. Just wait, beta. Wait. Wait for others also. Okay? I'll see it together. Now, the next word is no, a, g. Nag. N-A-G. Nag. No, a, g. Nag. N, a, g. Nag. No, a, g, nag. Say the phonic sound and write. Ruhan and Padmana, you want me to remove you from the class? You tell me. आप लोग चाहते हो मैं आपको क्लास से निकालूं? Why? Why your camera is off? Then the last one is to, a, g. Tag. To, a, g. Tag. ठीक है? Okay, kids? So in this way, you have to write down the words after reading it. Read it first and then write down.